Hello everyone, I'm Kate, founder of Nodo, and today we are making party cupcakes, and I've got a special guest, my daughter Madison. I think everyone needs a gluten-free cupcake recipe in their life, so let's get baking. First step is we're going to have half a cup of caster sugar. We're just using a raw caster sugar. Thank you, my love. And then we're going to add half a cup of light olive oil. I'll try. And then we're going to beat them together. So we're just going to beat the sugar and the oil together for about 1 minute. I reckon that's been 1 minute.
Yeah.
Next we're going to add 2 eggs. So do you want to crack 2 eggs into the bowl? No shells? No shell. Oh, very good. Beautiful. Thank you, baby. And then we're going to add those to the bowl. Pop those in. Beautiful. Get all of that egg. There we go. And then we're going to whisk it together.
Up to 2?
Maybe up to 4. Now we're just going to change over to the paddle attachment. You'll pop that one in the. Sink. We're just going to add 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of a gluten-free plain flour. Got it? Beautiful. And next we're going to add 2 tablespoons of a baking powder into the bowl.
Wait, do I just take 2
Yeah, whack it in. Beautiful. And then we're just going to gently mix the flour into the wet. How's it looking? So we've mixed the flour with all the wet ingredients, and then we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Beautiful. And then half a cup, I've just got half a cup of full cream milk here. There we go. And then we're going to mix those again, just really gently.
Yeah, because the milk will go everywhere.
That's right. So here we have our cupcake batter. It is a really runny batter, so don't be concerned that it's too runny. It bakes off really well. The next step is to get your cupcake liners and pop them into the tray. This recipe makes 12 cupcakes. So we're just going to fill the cupcakes and make sure that they're all evenly spread out between the 12, and you fill them to about 3/4 full. Ready? There you go. Beautiful. You make sure you keep it in the cupcake. Do these all look evenly spread out to you? Awesome. Now we're going to pop them in the oven at 180 degrees on a fan forced oven for about 15 minutes. So while the cupcakes are in the oven, we're just going to get started on our icing. So today we're going to make a Swiss Meringue Buttercream. So it does require a few more steps to making a traditional buttercream, but it produces a beautiful, airy, light buttercream, and I think it's worth the extra steps. You'll need 200 grams of caster sugar. Again, we're just using the raw caster sugar. You'll need 225 grams of butter, and you just want to have that softened. And you also need 100 grams of egg whites, well 90 to 100 grams of egg whites. So that is roughly around 3 eggs. So firstly, what we're going to do is we're going to add our egg whites and sugar to the bowl. And then we're just going to whisk them together. Okay, so next step is we're going to place this bowl over a pot of simmering water. So you want to make sure that the bowl isn't touching the water, it's just sitting on top. And you just want to whisk it continuously. We're just waiting for all those sugar crystals to dissolve. Okay, so now we've got our dissolved sugar and egg white mixture. And we're just going to place it into the KitchenAid mixer. We're just going to beat this on a high speed for 10 minutes. Check that out. You can taste it if you want. That's good.
It's so sticky.
It's so sticky. So that's cooled now as well. So what we're going to do is we're just going to add bit by bit 220 grams of flour So we'll pop this back down.
It tastes really yummy.
And then I'll pop it on a low speed. So we're just gonna add a little bit of butter. Incorporate that in.
Now me.
Yep.
My turn. Oh, this.
Go into there, yeah.
That's a fork.
Got it?
Yeah. There.
Beautiful.
It's a big brainy.
Get that in. So we're just going to add a little bit of vanilla extract for flavouring as well. Put that in there. Maybe 2 of those. About
Because it can be really
a teaspoon.
It will be really yummy.
Yeah, look at that. You can see all the vanilla seeds.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Is that good? Awesome. All right. So now we're going to pop it in the piping bag and we're going to top our beautiful cupcakes. So now the fun part, we get to top our cupcakes. So we're just going to fill up our piping bag with the Swiss Meringue Buttercream and top all of the cupcakes. You ready?
Build them.
Ready, go. Yep. Beautiful. And then another big scoop. Love it.
That might be done.
That's awesome. Okay.
But how they'll get ruined by the pattern?
Nope. So there you go. And then you're going to put the sprinkles on. Face down. No, yeah, turn it upside down, face down. No, yeah, and then just squish it slightly. Yeah, so it flattens. Oh, okay. Oh.
Maddie, show it towards me.
Beautiful. So, I think kids are always the most honest taste testers. So, Madison, what do you think? What do you think?
Good.
Good. I hope you've all enjoyed having our special guest in the kitchen today. We've had a lot of fun making cupcakes today, haven't we? Yeah. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. What recipe are we going to make next time?
You taste.
This looks yummy. That's beautiful. Beautiful.
Now what, Mama?
Good question.
Now what?